My name's Zlatar. I'm an artist, activist, and a frame change maker. I'm also the founder of Disturbing Artists, which is an artist initiative that uses the power of creative art to help create systemic reform on a wide range of issues, from climate change to mental health and migration to lived-in experiences of eating disorders. The work that we're doing is really platforming individuals to look at creative arts as a way to share their lived-in experience and create authentic and vulnerable change making. We do a wide range of initiatives, from exhibitions, publications, to workshops and talks. Most recently, the work that we've been doing is making Disturbing Artist reflection cards. So they're an art therapy-based tool to help individuals reflect and engage with creative prompts on really their lived-in experiences with body image and mental health issues surrounding eating disorders. What I really want to do is help inspire you guys to really look at how can you use art and really your creative voices to make effective change within your communities. Often, art gives voice behind numbers, and that's why it's so effective, because we're able to make people-centered solutions. I really hope that you guys can take this little bit of advice and maybe see what you can do in terms of creating and communicating. Thank you all.